Hello, good morning everyone. This is Ritu from Modern School. Today I'll be teaching you exercise 3.1, question number 2. Now I'll read the question. Organize the marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Now, table form, how to arrange, that we will see. And then the 4 questions are being asked based on this question. Now here organize the following marks, means these are the marks given to you in a class assessment test. A test is conducted, in that these are the marks given to you. You'll have to arrange it in the tabular form. I have told you this is a random data, and out of this you will have to make a tabular form. Now in the tabular form there is a common method. First column is marks, second tally marks, and then third one is frequency. Now for the marks column, here I have made a marks column. How to make the marks column? First you will see which is the lowest number. Here the lowest number is 1. In this table, the lowest number is 1. And which is the highest number is 9 in this table. So we will write first the marks column. See, I have written marks, tally marks and frequency. For marks, here I have written 1 to 9 marks, because the lowest one is 1 that we have seen, and then the highest one was 9. So that also. So we have written the from 1 to 9. So for the tally marks, I have told you for 1 we are writing. For tally marks, I told you for 1 we are writing 1. For 2 we are writing this way, and for 3 this. 4 1 2 3 4, and for 5 1 2 3 4 5. This type cross diagonal line we people are making. So this is the way to write in the tally marks. So here either we can go one by one, like 1 4, then at 4 we can place 1 bar here, or for 6 1 6, or we can count it also. Now here you can see how many ones are there. Only one is there. So that I have done. Now how many twos are there? You can see 1 2 2, and 2 twos are there. So for tally marks I will be writing 2 here, 1 and 2. This way is to be written. And for the frequency, here it's to be written in the digit. Here to be written in the bar form. Now 3 1 1 3 is there only. Okay, so 1 here also 1. 4, how many 4s are there? 1 2 3. 3 4s are there. So 1 2 3. Here 3. So here we are writing in a bar form. It's a tally mark column. Here frequency. Okay, then how many 5s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So here 1 2 3 4 5. This I have taught you, this way is to be written, and frequency 5. Now 6 1 2 3 and 4. Okay students, how many 6 are there? 1 2 3 4. How many 7s are there? 1 2. How many 8s are there? 1. How many 9s are there? 1. So this way we have arranged this in the first part we have completed. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form, that we have done. We have arranged it in the tabular form. Now we will start solving the question, which number is the highest. Now out of these marks, which one is the highest? Now you need not to go in this again. Now students, this I have written at the side just to make you explain. If you have understood, no need to write it, okay, in your notebooks. Which number is the highest? Out of 1 to 9, which one is the highest? Now in the table form, it is easy for you to answer now. Which one is the highest now? First answer 9. Just. Now which number is the lowest? 1. For the answer of second, 1. What is the range of the data? Range, I have told you, range is highest minus lowest. So highest we have just now calculated. Range is, every time you make it a habit to write down the formula every time. So highest is 9 minus 1, so range is 8. Okay, because highest is 9, that we have done in the previous two questions. Which one is the highest, which one is the lowest? So highest 9 and the lowest 1. So highest minus lowest, 9 minus 1, 8. Now the fourth part, find the arithmetic mean. Now for the mean, I told you the formula was, you will have to add all these numbers and then you will have to divide by how many numbers are there. That is, the formula was, formula for the mean I taught you. See, sum of observation upon number of observation. This is the formula I have already taught you, sum of observation upon number of observation. Here what is the observation? Observation is your marks. This is the observation. So these are the observation, means you will have to do the sum and then you will have to see how many numbers are there. So for your reference, I am writing it again on the next page for fourth question. Now fourth question is, find the arithmetic mean. Fourth question, arithmetic mean. What is the fourth question? Arithmetic. Here again I am writing numbers for you: 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6. Now I will see it one more time whether I have not made any mistake. No. 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6. Okay, right? Now mean is formula first everywhere. See, in the previous one when I solved, I write the formula, range highest minus lowest. So formula you are supposed to write everywhere. So here also I have written the formula. For mean also I will be writing the formula mean. So make it a habit to write down the formulas always. Sum of observation now sum of observation upon number of observation. Now sum we will start doing. Sum is to add all these observations. Now we will add 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. Now sum of observation we have done upon number of observation. So how many observations are there? Now we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 7 I missed. So here also 7 I'll write. Okay, so total 20 observations are there. How many? 20. Now we will start adding all this number. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 34 plus 5, 39. 39 plus 2, 41. 41 plus 6 is 47. 47 plus 2, 49. 49 plus 5, 54. 54 plus 1, 55. 55 plus 9, 64. 64 plus 6, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. 75 plus 8, 83. 83 plus 4 is 87. 87 plus 6, 93, and 93 plus 7 is 100. So that we have added 100 upon 20. Now we can cancel 0 to 0 and 2 5s are. So what is the arithmetic mean is 5. So now in the full question 4 parts was asked. First only it was told to make the tabular form that we have made. It was written on the top. Then which number is the highest that we have solved. So this is the solution basically. Which number is the highest? 9. Which number is the lowest? 1. Range highest minus lowest. And then arithmetic mean we did it on the next page. So this is your arithmetic mean, sum of observation upon number of observation. So thank you students.